So today we're reviewing the Fitbit Inspire 3 health and fitness tracker. I started my 20,000 step a day challenge, so I needed some assistance. So to turn the Fitbit on, you can either just face it towards you and it automatically pops up, or you could just press the sides and it'll pop up. So how it starts, it initially takes you to the screen where it shows you the time, and for me it shows the steps. And all you have to do is scroll up to see your stats. The stats include beats per minute, tracking your steps, tracking your calories. It will even track your sleep, count how many miles you walked for that day, and then also store your information for the future so you can contrast and compare your fitness level. It has additional features. If you just scroll to the left, you'll see notifications. If you attach it to your Google account, you can start an exercise routine. You can also just put a timer on there, and etc., etc. So far, so good. I got mine's in the color lilac, as you can see, very pretty. It's a pinkish purplish color. I really like it. And what's nice is they actually provide you with 2 wristbands, same color, when you order the product. So when one wears out, you have another. This is the actual Fitbit app. Make sure you download the app. That way you can get more details about your personal fitness. Now, in addition to all of the things that it tracks just on the actual device, you can actually add additional things, like you can calibrate the device so that it'll track your sleep a certain way. You can do additional exercise routines and add all different sorts of stats. You can track how many floors that you walked up. As you can see, there's a ton of features that go beyond just counting steps. You can also enter your weight, as I did there. Unfortunately, it doesn't track weight. You have to enter that manually, but it will store it for you in the future. And if you want like more specifics on any of the stats, just click on them. It'll actually tell you how many, for example, steps here, when I took the most steps, when I burned the most calories, when I walked the most miles, etc., etc. So it's a really nice feature. Now, I got this Fitbit on Amazon. I got it on sale for $70, but I think the normal price is around $100. As always, I'll put my link in the description so you can check it out. But as far as my review, I love the Fitbit. It's working great, flawlessly, seamlessly. It updates immediately, which is nice, and I would definitely buy it again. If you would like to look at it, please check the description, and as always, like and subscribe.